I'm attorney Erica Baez, and I'm here to tell you that even if inflation has hit your wallet hard, a do-it-yourself divorce is still a bad idea. Even if you are ready to separate or divorce quickly, there are 3 big reasons that come to my mind for why you'll want to avoid those online sales for a DIY divorce kit that claims to give you all the right papers for a quick divorce. Number 1, with a lawyer you save time. Most of the time when something was wrong, it would take a few attempts for parties without lawyers to get it right. And this could take weeks or even months. Number 2, believe it or not, you actually save money. It's important you have a lawyer looking out for your rights during a separation or divorce. Number 3, you save heartache. Haste makes waste, at least in my world. But our team is here to help you.